Hello guys, I am V Sai Srinivas of 10th class from Mathman. So today I will be explaining today's editorial. So let's get started. So today our editorial title is Rising Again on Global Rise of Fresh COVID-19 Cases. Adherence to COVID-19 appropriate behavior is the only way to reduce impact of a third wave. In order to prevent a third wave, proper behavior is the only way. Fresh daily cases of coronavirus globally after touching a new peak of over 0.9 million on April 28 began to drop steadily, reaching a low point on June 21 when only over 0.3 million cases were reported. But there was a rise in cases again globally since then. July 15 saw 0.53 million daily cases, and the second week of the month witnessed nearly 3 million new cases. A total of 188.9 million cases have been reported worldwide as on July 15. Driven in most countries by the highly transmissive Delta variant, a total of 1100 countries have this variant. Brazil, India, Indonesia, and UK and Colombia have reported the most cases in the past week, with the sharpest increase in Zimbabwe 72%, Indonesia 44%, US 38%, Bangladesh 35%, and the UK 30%. Many Asian countries including Vietnam, Malaysia, South Korea and Japan, where the spread was under control, have also been reporting a high number of daily cases. Indonesia has seen a surge in new cases, with each day witnessing increase over the previous day, with 56k cases on July 15. Indonesia is now the new Asian epicenter. India reported over 39k cases on July 15. According to WHO, COVID-19 deaths are increasing again after falling for 9 straight weeks, with the sharpest upticks in Africa and Southeast Asia. On the July 7, the total global 19 deaths crossed 4 million. It took just 90 days for the last million deaths to occur, the shortest time span for every 1 million deaths recorded. So guys, this editorial is regarding the increase in the number of COVID-19 cases day by day. So on April 28th, that is before 2 to 3 months, the number of cases worldwide was 0.9 million, and gradually the number of cases worldwide every day started to decrease, and on June 21, that is about 1 month ago, the number of cases that were reported on a day worldwide was only 0.3 million cases. So we here observed a decrease in 0.6 million cases. It is a big achievement, but as of July 15, that is 2 days ago, the number of cases again increased to 0.53 million. So the thing we achieved has already got disrupted, and on the second week of the month, 3 million cases were seen. A total of about 190 million cases have been reported worldwide on July 15. In most countries, a Delta variant, which is highly transmissible, is taking part, and about 111 countries that include India have this Delta variant. So the countries Brazil, India, Indonesia, UK and Colombia have reported the most number of cases past week. So there has been the increase in number of cases in countries like Zimbabwe, US, Bangladesh, and etc. If we take the South Asian countries such as Vietnam, Japan, and other countries, they had control of the pandemic and they were able to prevent its spread. But again, even these countries started to report more number of cases every day. As of today, Indonesia is standing at the top position for the most number of cases reported on a day. So about 56,000 cases were reported in Indonesia on July 15, and India has only reported 39,000 cases on July 15, and WHO also stated that the number of COVID-19 deaths is also increasing gradually and they have to take action. For 9 weeks, the number of deaths increased and now it is suddenly taking a uptake. The total global COVID-19 death toll reached about 4 million. So, in the past 90 days, about 1 million deaths had occurred. So, we can see out of 4 million deaths, 1 million deaths occurred only in the past 3 months, and who knows what might happen in the future months. The US and much of Europe have demonstrated how high vaccine coverage can sharply reduce the number of deaths and even hospitalization. For instance, with over 87% of the adult population vaccinated with one dose and over 67% with the second dose, in UK, there have been fewer hospitalizations and deaths despite spikes in cases. In the US, the case rise is largely in states with low vaccination coverage and deaths mainly in the unvaccinated. Over 55% of the US population have been vaccinated with one dose and 48% were fully vaccinated. This brings the focus back on increasing vaccine coverage and striving for global vaccine inequity to prevent deaths and the emergence of deadly variants. Ironically, the emergence of deadly variants led to the discussion in some countries is on a booster dose even while healthcare workers in many African countries have not been fully vaccinated. Israel has began giving booster shots to people with a compromised immune system, while the US has ruled out booster shots for now, with several Indian states reporting vaccine shortages. Strict adherence to COVID-19, appropriate behavior even by fully vaccinated is the only way to delay and reduce the impact of the third wave. So, according to WHO and the medical facilities of other countries, the only way to tackle the coronavirus is through vaccination. If we observe countries such as UK and USA, most of the people have been vaccinated with the first dose and the second dose, and as a result, less people have been hospitalized and even death. 87% of adult population have been vaccinated in UK with one dose and 67 were fully vaccinated, and in America the number of deaths reported in the unvaccinated states are more when compared to the vaccinated ones. In India, many states have been reporting vaccine shortages. So booster shots, what are booster shots? So there are the injections which would increase the immunity system of a person. So UK have been using booster shots, but as of US they are not using them for now. They might use it in the future. So the only way to counter COVID-19 is to follow and play by the rules. Even those who are vaccinated have to be careful, and that is the only way to prevent and reduce the impact of a third wave. That's it, guys. Thank you.